Yo me recuerdo que era lo que era ya. Yo no puedo
Full stop.
They don't get it. They don't hear it. Yeah. That they don't hear it. Where don't want them. Better want them.
Do you think that's the solution?
Okay, then away. Reason mama nyaka be meaning ya kono I'm not yet ready go ngongo don't know why I think I'm okay no pimiro pero que chala chombo ke down
accomplish. That's what I say. Hey, to if you come in to live with me, you gotta make sure you're mentally there. You know what you're getting yourself into. I don't want later on long down the road be like, oh, I did this shit for you. I leave everything on the line for you, whatever it is, yada yada yada. No. Come in a relationship. It is clear.
Ruat ke wing kong. Tuaro me bero kadao ke la cho. Ti wi in la cho ya. Ti wi nyane we.
No.
Pedaga ye redo ni. Pedaga ye redo in ruat ni. Ruat dong wa chak bero a cha la cho do ruat. Pedaga dao ma la nyaga mo ke kan mo redo la cho. Ni el mi rebet dao pa la cho ene dao ene te pa ya nyim wer la cho ayo mok ta me yo kwan iem ne meki wano anda na me kar en do por ki wano kwiri me cha ko bero chara la cho ke dare on that is likini ba bien ma cha bero meki ane we I'll barely wait in chara cha bero
Kadang, yeah, Francis, kadang Mickey Petty Lerica.
Yeah, that was the question.
I don't know what you need.
no pamiro
Come make a wink out where to go. Make him in a machine no da nane. Waka make him a achar catona ye making it. Waka make it on TM bear me bury ah. It in another way. Waka make it on, make a petty school, make a teacher mama and table. Madon Rama Banabero. And no point tieni. Make no be take a chore more TM kene. My auntie carry the winner carry. Now God and my auntie watch can make a tea while
But Francis, how would you know?
Me now come making on, come make it, take a twin no me better get Aunt Francis. The nana way.
you guys forgot my question.
Yeah.
You know when
they
Francis,
forgot
you know, yeah, we will like on question my opinion now way.
No, yeah, we understand your question. This is going
Remember
right
that
place.
girl. Remember that girl is dating five men. You get that?
Listen,
So kau
we get that.
when you know tameti kamu kene, no? But kamiru ina da.
Listen,
Ubigyo kaberu keri.
Mickey,
Yes, please. Yes,
there's
please.
no reason for you. There's no reason for you to. If you know what you want, you shouldn't be worrying around with five guys trying to figure out what are you doing. Doing experimental? There's no reason for you to go around.
It's possible. Sometimes you may not be trusting them.
Then that mean you're not ready.
Yeah.
Don't
You
be
may
in a
not be
relationship.
trusting them. You
Don't
may
be in
not
a
be
relationship.
trusting them. I'm not
Listen.
saying I'm doing that. I
I know.
just don't have. Yeah.
Listen, baby girl.
I
Listen.
just have like.
A person who is
if-
dating more than one, that means that person is not ready to be married. They're just trying. They're just trying to find somebody so that they can maybe just enjoy and have fun.
Good morning, guys.
Morning.
Money to you.
Running.
I'm very sorry that I've entered into your conversation. When I've had a lot has been said, but at least I've picked something. I'm here a white lock more material. I don't know how you guys you see, and with what you guys you say, that when a lady is willing to settle with you, will just walk and come. All these lady have different intention of walking to you. You understand? You can get a lady and she'll accept to come and stay with you and be no better for the minute. But you need to know exactly what are intention of her coming to you. It's not about me. Then should leave other guys. Then check better body. It's very different. You guys need to understand. You know, but can you take it to a board? but you're born all play different roles in her life. You need to know where your roles lies in her life. So you know body, by the way. Don't think no. That's a very big lie. You understand? Just get a woman at least will understand your situation and will open up everything. Will open up and tell you, no, darling, this one here, there's this, and this, and this, and this, and this. So it will be you to take it or leave it. Because she has a job. As you guys, you said, someone who has a job will be willing to me out and settle it. But she has a lot to do. So, get to know a real woman intention. You can keep any year to the food still. If you know Yakamo better body, but at the end of the day, you're the one going to lose.
Yeah.
Andrew, piti Yakamo, chano make a well quite TNA, me Beno, Chaco Bero Bora, Chalo and Francis. No make a more tame or Kitwinya when me Bero Quera. The Quanoka and we are your better tata, Chimbiki Moramu Mokotame Waha. Cato Piti Yakamo, my Wayoni. I be a gang a cabby tema. Tema can no let you on a poor Ganacha. Well, let you on.
I think can you do that?
Francis,
You know, you can
Francis, I want to no. Mickey Francis, I want to tell you something. Now listen. I had two good friends. I'll tell you all their story. This guy had everything that this lady wants. Okay? Everything. And they got married. This guy did introduction, everything, got married in charge. Do you know how many years they stayed? They stayed 3 years. 3 good years, my guy. 3 to 4 years. I don't teach her 4 years, but don't teach her a lasting. This girl got what she wants and got what her intention all is for the 4 years she has been and left.
So, and I left. Well, kilo 10 paniere.
She had 2 kids. And these 2 kids all will get part.
okay, hey. Hey, Ron.
You need to understand women, by the way, you guys.
Yeah.
Women are very different thing. A woman is a very different. Understand a woman that is coming to you very well, my guy. Don't think a woman is in your house. You think she has.
That's true.
Francis. That one I cannot help you there, but like I can't.
No.
It seems like your head is really made up. Listen, everybody have a different.
Do you know when everyone family sat down and they try to ask themselves what really happened? Because Johnny, everything was okay. Kigangi, everything was okay.
I'm going to look at my gel. Look at my Monreal. Look at my.
There's a problem somewhere.
Yeah.
It's just women. You just need to understand.
Not just understand women, but maybe there's a failure somewhere.
Yeah, that should be.
There's a problem. According to his statement.
I think the man and the woman would know very best if they were to be asked. Because you cannot live like that.
We should do open.
Final ene piramo a piano bore pio andro ni final mo a ke pa miana ke one ne bi piano boro pio andro just me mi tema enyual ke lo tiara rio che wero Never.
Hello, Francis.
That is something of Francis Pekin.
Okay, we can go, Francis.
Nyako bire kuoni ba. Lo ka temo ne. Biru ke gimon mano engeo ne. Jake karna Roma and no she's okay.
Gopa.
No, Francis, let me just try to say, Opio. For me, I said like maybe if she just said that she come for time being, that marriage she was forced into. She was not.
Yeah.
Kina manyago biru nangani targeting. Jano nongo dia kitek ni kabungi nyomo pio. Like there's a car somewhere. That's where she's like, okay, let me do it for the sake of this. What my parents say.
Yes.
You know, don't keep mono better kunyumorido. I win the lady. My friend, that's how it happened. Kamu ikiwa obero kiri the car. Kamu ikiwa obero.
Bro, more to the story is don't force somebody to do what
Yes.
don't force them to be in love with you or to come live with you. Let them make your mind. That's it. I'm sorry, I don't know how I should tell you guys. That's it.
You're right. But there's something what you guys are saying. This is something I'm saying. You understand? Understand your woman who is coming to you. You get me? You don't. A man should not look at 5 women. Look at the 5 men that a woman has to. It's none of your business. Your business is understanding your woman and why she's with you and what do you want from her and why you want her to settle with you. Period. Those 5 men.
That is my point. That is not my point.
Okay, those 5 men are none of your concern. For you do your part as you say you want her.
That was my point.
If a woman who is now
Then you get settled and
a woman who is
everything
in that situation should not be in love, should not be in a relationship at all. And that goes for men too. You should not be in a relationship. Your mind is fucked up. You need to go clear your head and figure out what you want. Because you can now you have different energies, right? This one shooting from here, this is showing different vibe, this one showing different vibe. So you are confused, you don't know what you want. If that particular person that you want, go for them, go for him or her, and that's it. If it fails, it fails.
And also the other thing is, it's very difficult. As also, because the thing is, if you're still looking, you're looking. You're not like I'm just going to look at one person, take 5 years with that person. If it doesn't work, I will start looking for another one.
I've ever been in 4 years relationship with one guy.
I'm not saying it's bad, but no one don't tap full. No one tap.
That is our faith. No, Timmy. You guys, no.
No, Timmy. Oh yes, Timmy. I'm okay with 10 years together.
Okay. Timmy, very well. I accept Timmy.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, Timmy. So, but the only thing is that AKD, no don't. Only don't egg in a chair like no, Francis here, Timmy. Timmy, don't say Timmy.
But I got it. Francis, this case is you get someone, you trust that person. Let me say, I've trusted someone for 4 years after I got a very big disappointment. So, the next time.
She don't you know be available down there.
Man, take it down.
Don't even bring him out.
Anh check bây giờ này yên là cho Mary em đào check bây giờ là anh yêu là cho check bây giờ này Mary em một đào đào mà có đào này kia là cho một cái này bị tim mới tà hoàng nhá này Bible quá là chi so
Era you be dating down Mahathir Mahathir.
One by one. Chiang Pei là cho Miriam down. Pa Miriam down on a mộtero.
Era no roti un balon ma dir do mo mi na riama do.
Awe ba ye ni la cho Miriam down e pe te mi tawa. I ma o down ni la cho mo.
Era you doing it get na na ke ba wa ni da ko ron beru gangi era chara nyal wa yi gwa la ten pa ngado kene.
Yun la ko pe ke pa ngayon.
Yeah, right.
You guys, there was something I was listening to some few days ago on radio. Look, you are right. Gamente, uchalo kwa na news, uchalo kwa radio. Ni kina tikilo tina ngwen. The UP odd me no, they don't go to Lotini Gankwan. Senior more cara, tickle at Tina Chain or Tino Tina Death, Dagan Magun Yomedo, Mahaya Bichel. So, Kino Tina Death, and move you look on Choco Depo, Tumucho Depo, we have a twin on him, and look at dog or down there. We have engine no one. Choco Depo Kerda, Ping and Arabian. I made a look that. Pian one or being a quorum king. At any killing out, but a milky guru. So I think a ten a chill wow. But I ten a chill only. A mere knee where a chera gammo, a kill. Or where I could come to look up any bay, my conye near one when you chero. And I near do cha beerly. You're born no and I carry your dong. Can get a death. You don't know where I tell a chinia that do me on that in my way. No way you corner. You look at the radio, though. You look don't pay in radio, the pay a chili cam, look a war of a wing. Down a wing window when you look at good being a gown of now get him. Go down to the now get look at the what again. So, dear Tony, you look at a deck wing, make a chili cam, make a
Payo de jala diet, payo. Payo.
Yan ang ngayon story. Pero yan na bete matay kyan chokimon. But macharo la cho always choke nyan down on while kill. While a tiang mo machao can be near bedroom watching on it and the tilatiana. Nano yango. Nano yango.
Nyan Francis.
You always
Francis. Francis young in the Punyan Gamcom.
I take it down a Rio. Mago Bergi complaining in the pillow tianogi. Now I take La Rema Chel, my girlfriend, a dating young girlfriend of Charity Yacho. Now my girlfriend, no Yajo, why girlfriend and me. Kirayan be Yajiba, keep it come one manual. Young and bang any mono chalking a mono chimney when you get it. Now cut in while I tell my ear pere, Chino in a Latin gangwa. Now that a girlfriend a year pero, and while I tell my ear pere, Malatin in 9 years, you come. Near ye and a Latin. China get a girl and be a dark one while I let them move in a window. Look down now, look down now, Joe Mechanic laying on the
Francis, sometimes never come. Look at
the look a star boy.
Look a star boy, and look a star boy.
Look a star boy. Star boy, I can't be a look and star boy melting winning.
Star boy, really down.
Mon mela ten do atare, quero go mais a mela ten bed more to.
Hello, John, we're going to kill you.
Brother.
You don't love her.
Stabo me yero ho para kilo tian no ho para kilo tian para cho chara ara inge ni mi.
Pero mo pero.
Ya me quiero mate me stabo la mega mo chuare ti mo. Chuare ti nyal ya ti nyalao a kelera. Ya ke pero campara. So la cho mano en ya quiere ni pero padete mecánica. No, el piro che qua fare è che piano mo, e te piano ga. Che gang con un piano per dei can. Ma non fare un chop piano, che go ma giana ieri. Da ho campa, no, ya churong. Na fare tu che Somalia quelle il moi. Piano che go ma giana fere. Qua ne me ta che ba ya cho. E allo piano da when you build a tempa meccanica chan. No, chan, ieri yana lo piano. Ye yana lo tiana tinana we chawani
Yende pi meningi la tiana pa mecánica.
malo tiana cha chela
Francis yo afoyo left afoyo na mer no kido karwo donc gap bon yin keni no ko bido o bon yeri
No la quiero.
secret dara di ngara che secret pe berbe dario secret ko dugu dario do mo ba Oye Francis, secret berbe dandi, ngarache secret pe berbe dario. So, nyere ene kina no lia, chino lia. Oye. No lia, ero komlo ko nyere ngela tiro ero pelo tiama. Because do karo wa, Enano. Kito amel gamulo Francis na we. Girache lo mire nge. Francis girache lo mire nge. Always quadene no tiro don and lubu kit makama empty berie magana la tiro don buri wala da all your character kira ite kere kama empty berie ni and it's very hard to notice ni latina mega because one kinano look at into your family then kigamuba binone you guys are all different. Kinana tiki sibling. You guys, you're all different. But you know only one way of child. There is that child money berutie eto one way apart. The other one will be tall and dark. The other one will be short and this. The other one will be small and this. Okay, now a generation will move around. Why ni Latine? Child ki mzee mayao to cha gini. Tina never. All in only kita berukere. So it's very hard to determine ni Latine le migi yo migi ko. Eki donki nyualo ki bori arondon ki bori mera. It's very hard. The only thing but ye DNA kidong na Mario ngaro nyuala tiene me wechi lo da.
Andro watani latini ene chel ki kona nga wa ko ngo yendo nyura tini en latiana charo an pian ana an kwarwa munwala bawa pero la Congo. Now, near my achar gangjo, Munano, la cho Munano, Quarwa, in pian guinea on the measure. What more Nana tabwe? Oh, why ya ain't do am given one la PM que come to join there. Tinana. Unana, when I chill the quarment of pian one bawa doy or doy Uganda guy. Yeah, Ungawa committee Congo. Nana, so chill money child, pero tie may make gang money child. Inana erutie ala tiana banyo chill kerama
Kaya tiara team DN de jal. Chill penyur ke mo. Ino mo no chill kiri ar no. No Mexico.
Ah, take to our thing down.
Ya lihat tiara team kong ya la tiara ma.
La tiana per mi beto nana ngeyo.
Ya lero we. Wa we tiga chill. Ma kati you don't see more can. It only like no Jimmy Wang may take it in we de wajan. Jomo can ma waka dark Roman in a different way. Kira you wajan. Routine rombo chill kiri no germo ma waka nano I don't let an yerico. But in the way we make a madam.
Never.
It's very fine, Francis. Don't say never.
Francis,
it has happened.
Francis, no, you guys.
Oh yeah, la dire ya.
Wrong advice. That is a very wrong advice. DNA mukele stress no. That's a very wrong advice. Pager team DNA Omera. It is stress for another year. Where ere to opening up the day the me in a better more. Yes.
Now,
Latine chilo ka bana be kong me nama chel. Nano kong be chalo ang. Mada yiru ya anak me chero ka pingu diane. Yiru ya.
Okay.
Mala tian chilo kwiri ma ina me bela tian chil kwiri.
Oh, pe white come on the chel kabani. It's okay. Latin round the chel kiri pian yene better take out yene. But penidigi. There's one thing I'm here. Just accept it. The truth is that when you go deep into it, we know that to carry a part.
Yeah.
Anyway, Lutiano, would you? Daga yengu exactly ngan mati wan Lutiano. Kaya la cho America. Walk American my canati dikali. Petam kono mi go megiko.
After a year come long.
Because down here exactly now because I'm not far Galutini.
Now I won't let them.
Aye ko.